Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of ordering home internet with Spectrum. Whether you're moving into a new place or just looking to switch your service, getting connected is easier than you think. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Spectrum website. Open your web browser and go to the official Spectrum website. You can do this by typing Spectrum Internet into your search engine or directly entering the URL, spectrum.com. Step 2. Select the Internet option. Once on the Spectrum homepage, look for the Internet category. Click on it to see all the available Internet plans in your area. Step 3. Check availability. Enter your address in the provided field to check what Internet plans are available at your location. This is an important step, as Spectrum services may vary by region. Step 4. Compare plans. After confirming availability, take some time to compare the different Internet plans. Look at the download speeds, prices, and any additional features such as free installation and no data caps. Step 5. Choose your plan. Once you've found the perfect plan that fits your needs, click on the Order Now or Select button associated with that plan. Step 6. Create an account or log in. If you're a new customer, you will need to create an account by providing your email address and setting up a password. If you're an existing customer, simply log in with your credentials. Step 7. Enter your information. You'll be prompted to enter your personal information, including your address, phone number, and payment information. Be sure to double-check these details for accuracy. Step 8. Choose your installation option. Spectrum offers both self-installation and professional installation. If you prefer to set it up yourself, select the self-installation option. If you'd rather have a technician come to your home, choose the professional installation option and select a convenient date and time. Step 9. Review your order. Before finalizing your order, take a moment to review all the details, including the plan, installation type, and payment information. Make any necessary changes. Step 10. Confirm and complete your order. Once everything looks good, proceed to complete your order. You'll receive a confirmation email with all the details of your new Spectrum Internet service. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. We appreciate your support.